Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get acorns in Legend of Neverland. First, understand that acorns are a crucial trading currency. To gather a significant amount, you'll use a clever strategy, often called the cannibal account method. This requires you to have your primary game account and at least one smaller, alternate account. These alt accounts will play a key role in funneling resources to your main, making your acorn collection much more efficient. Let's dive into the setup. Next, focus on your alt account. Make sure it has unlocked and can perform mining activities. A good starting point is mining materials like hematite in locations such as Kagmor Grassland. While your alt is busy mining, switch to your main account. On your main, you'll need to sell a high-class item on the trading post, setting its price quite high. This sets the stage for the next crucial step in our acorn acquisition strategy. Now, return to your alt account. Using the materials your alt has mined, you will purchase the expensive item that your main account just listed on the trading post. This transaction effectively transfers the acorns from your alt account directly to your main account. Since you control both accounts, you're essentially buying from yourself. Repeating this process allows you to accumulate a substantial amount of acorns on your primary character very quickly and efficiently. To recap, the cannibal account method is a highly effective way to gather many acorns in Legend of Neverland. Once you have a good supply, remember that you can exchange 100 acorns for 1 sapphire. Sapphires are incredibly useful for purchasing valuable items like skill rubbings, crystals, and stamina potions from the in-game shop. This strategy helps you power up your main character significantly. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to the Echo smart speaker and other fantastic deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.